Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys just a quick makeup tutorial, and this one is actually just my quick 5-minute makeup that I do when I'm in a hurry, or if I'm going to do my makeup before I go to work. This is the makeup that I'll do before I go to work. So it literally takes me like 5 minutes. It makes me look more awake and just a little bit more refreshed. So this is definitely one of my go-tos. So I thought I would share that with you. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to throw on some concealer. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I actually don't put on very much concealer. I just put a couple lines right under my eyes. That might have actually been a little too much. And then I do put a little bit on my nose and anywhere where there's just a little bit of redness. I'm actually not going to be using foundation at all, so I want to just cover up any redness or like the darkness under my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Okay, so I threw on a little bit of concealer. You can see my underneath of my eyes is a little bit brighter, and then any redness is just covered up. And then I am going to go ahead and set that. I've just recently got the Becca Hydra Mist powder, so that's what I'm going to use right now. And I'm just going to dust that right underneath my eyes and anywhere that I put concealer, just to set it a little bit. But mostly underneath my eyes because I just don't want it to crease. And then next I'm going to go in and add in some bronzer, just a little bit, just to add a little bit of color to my face. I just use a couple products for this type of makeup look, so I'll do bronzer, concealer, highlighter, and mascara. And I actually usually don't even put on brows when I'm doing this makeup look. Unless I have a few more minutes, then I will, but a lot of times I'm doing it before work, so I just kind of throw everything together and call it good. Next I'm going to throw on some highlighter. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Ambreezy highlighter. And I don't put too much, I just put that right where I would normally highlight my face. But I try to go just for a little bit of a more naturally glowy look if I can. And I just put that wherever I would normally highlight. Next I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and throw on a bit of mascara as well. And the mascara that I'm going to use today is going to be the Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara. I really like this one because I feel like it's a very natural mascara, but it still adds a little bit of color and makes you look a little bit more awake. So I'm just going to throw that on real quick. And last but not least, I'm just going to throw on a little bit of gloss just to finish up the look. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Alright, and that is it. This is the makeup look that I do when, like I said, I'm just throwing on some makeup before work, or if I really don't have a lot of time and just want to look a little bit more awake, a little bit more put together. So like I said, it typically takes me like 5 minutes. If I'm going to do brows, maybe 10 minutes. So it's a very quick makeup look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!